Alright, now it's time for us to install another app which will help us boost our store sales. So, I will click on Apps on the left, and then I will search for Product Bundles. There are over 2,000 Product Bundles app on Shopify right now, but only few of them are the best ones. For this store, I am going to use this Bundler Product Bundle app. This app also have a free plan which is good enough for anyone. And if you go to the pricing section, you'll see the different pricing plans. But if you are just starting out, the free plan will be good enough for you. You can also go to the demo store of this app to see what features it provides. Here, you can see this bulk discount option. This section is created using this Bundler app. Next, when you scroll down, you'll see this product bundle. This is also created using this product bundle app. And the best part is that both of these sections are available in the free plan of this app. Okay, now I will go back to the App Store and click on this Install button. Once the app is installed, you'll see this interface. Here, we need to select a plan. I will go with the free plan, but you can also try the paid plans for 7 days for absolutely free. Next, on the bottom right, you'll see this video tutorial option. Here, you'll find a detailed tutorial on this app. You'll also find some FAQs on this left section, which is a great help for those who are just starting out with this app. Okay, now I will click on this Create Bundle option. This will give us some options. In the free plan, we have the Classic Bundle and Volume Discount options. The Classic Bundle will help us create product bundles, and the Volume Discount will provide discounts to those who will place multiple orders. So, first I will create a Volume Discount. Here, I can change this bundle name if I want to. Next, we have the title here, and then we also have a description. And when you scroll down a little, you'll find this Volume Discount section. This is where we can set up the discounts. I will set up the discount percentage to 5%, and then I can also set up a quantity here. And based on this quantity, the buyer will get a discount on their order. I will also create more volume discounts, where I will simply increase the product quantity and the discount percentage. In short, the more the customers buy at once, the more discount they'll achieve. Next, we need to make sure that this volume discount is applicable to every product here. You can also apply this volume discount to some specific products, and then select your products from this section. But for now, I will simply enable this for all of my store products. And then I will save this by hitting the Save button. Okay, now if I go to our online store, and then go to Products, you can see that this volume discount is visible here. You can see the title and description here, and then you can also see the discount percentage that we set up earlier. Now, to check whether this app is working or not, I will simply try to get this 10% discount offer. So, I will simply increase the product quantity to 5, and then click on Add to Cart button. And as soon as I did that, you can see this pop-up here that says that I have got a discount on my order. Now, if I click on this Yes option, it will simply take me to the checkout page, where you can see that I am getting 10% off on my order, which is $49 in this case. Alright, now I will come back to the Bundler app and then click on Create Bundle. This time I want to create a classic bundle, so I will select this option. Here, you will again see the title and descriptions. You can simply remove these texts and add your own text here. The most important part of this is the discount section. Here is where you can set up the discount for your product bundles. For example, I can set up a percentage discount on my bundles, or I can also give a fixed amount of discount. And we also have these other options that you can consider based on your requirements. I personally recommend the percentage discount or the fixed amount discount for the classic bundles. Next, I will scroll down to the products section, and here I can select the products that I want to sell in this classic bundle. I will select these 3 products from this list. Next, I can also select the quantity here. And then we have some advanced settings here, but most of them are available in the paid plan. Okay, now I will save this product bundle. Next, I will go to the product page to check if the bundle is working or not. I will scroll down a little, and as you can see, the product bundle is showing here. You can see the title and descriptions, and then all 3 products that we selected in this bundle. And when you click on this Add to Cart button, it will take me to the checkout page, where you can see that I've got a flat discount on this bundle. Now, I will go back to the dashboard and then confirm that the bundle is working on the store. Alright, now we have all the features that we need on our product page. One important thing to note here is that the classic bundle will not be visible to every product. For example, if I click on this product, I will not find the classic bundle here. The classic bundle will only be visible along with those products that are added to that bundle. And don't worry, you can always go back to the Bundler app and create more bundles for specific products and collections. And you can also go to Settings and change the default colors of this app and add your own brand colors here. So, this is the final structure of our product page. This may seem simple, but it contains all the features that will boost the overall sales and conversion of your store.